How to remove background in any photo using CapCut. So if you want to remove background in any photo using CapCut, then first open up your CapCut application. Once you've opened, go for the upper side which has the options. Tap on expand and tap on remove background. Choose the picture from which you would like to remove the background. As soon as you choose the picture and tap on add, then it will automatically select the picture. So if you want to edit that, then you can simply choose the size and then you can select manually. So I have simply choose auto select, which is on the bottom left, or you can simply select manually like this. But I'll be choosing auto select and then tap on export, which is on the upper right. And that's it. You can see that your photo doesn't contain any background. So that's how you can remove the background in any photo using CapCut. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.